Even the awards that I've got, for the King Faisal Award, I got $200,000, that is 750,000 riyal. And even for the Holy Quran Award from Dubai, 1 million dirham, that is more than 270,000 US dollars. All of that, I donated for waqf. But let me tell you, if someone takes salary for dawah, it is not haram, as long as it does not charge more than its market value. But as far as I am concerned, I don't take because I want more sawab. Because I left my profession and I do not charge for any of my activities. In fact, I spend from my own side. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed me. I spend few hours in business, maybe a couple of days in a month during holidays. And alhamdulillah, I used to make millions of dollars in a year. And majority of my earnings is to go in charity. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given me more in this world also. Alhamdulillah. If I had done my medical profession, I wouldn't have earned millions of dollars in a year. Not at all. I don't think so. But because I'm doing in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala,